should all want to take some responsibility in the maintenance of our spouse's eyebrows. I don't know about you guys, but Wyatt's are out of control. Like they're like an inch long, rogue, crazy brow. I'm gonna give you a quick eyebrow tutorial, how to keep the masculine shape, but still keep them under wraps. So you'll wanna grab your comb and your scissors. You're going to comb these eyebrows up. I like to hold them with my opposite hand and hold that eyebrow up and then just cut right above the top. Now, if they're like super rogue, then that's when I will tweeze them out. But really what I wanna do is I just wanna maintain like a natural shape, but I don't want any long ones. And then I will take my comb in the opposite way the eyebrows grow. So usually the eyebrows grow up, so I'm going to put it into the top. And I just take my scissors over my comb like that, and I cut those really long ones. Make sure you're not forgetting these on the end that will kind of hide from you. Look how much better that eyebrow looks.